Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to change the Office theme first so the app UI goes dark. Open Outlook, then head straight to File and choose Office Account or Options right arrow General depending on your build. Under Office Theme, pick black or dark gray. This flips ribbons, sidebars, and menus to a dark palette. Do this now so the rest of the interface matches. Once done, make sure your account is signed in and sync completes before moving to Message Display settings. Next, adjust message and reading panes so emails themselves appear dark. In Desktop Outlook, look in View or Options for a Use Dark mode or Reading Pane Appearance toggle. Enable it so message backgrounds become dark. If you're on Outlook Web, open Settings right arrow Appearance and switch Dark mode on. Toggle Reading Pane settings to apply the appearance to message previews, and then restart Outlook so cached styling updates. This ensures subject lines, body backgrounds, and preview panes consistently follow the dark theme. Finish by restarting Outlook, and if needed, your computer so theme changes fully propagate. If some emails still show a white background, update Office to the latest build and clear Outlook cache or disable add-ins that force formatting. This often resolves stubborn light styling. Also check Windows personalization right arrow colors and set dark there because some Outlook builds inherit OS settings. If problems persist, run Office Repair from Programs and Features. That usually fixes missing theme components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.